border town Moreda posting taba Kakching District Police Commando Unit ki personnel bangadagi yamlaba heroin number 4 amasung WY tablet kamarum Kakching District Police na phagat pa kamle haina district asigi SP Sri Bhats na phongdoraklei hiram asigi matang da pangthokhiba paugi mi phamamada SP Sri Bhats na hai ngasi yamlaba drug sing aduga konana phagat Kakching District Police Commando Unit ki personnel sing adu border town Moreda posting taba ngaktani makhoi adudi team commander Habildar KS Achauba TI Subhas Jothe Y Dinesor M Premchandra amadi N Dorendrajit ni makhoi dagi heroin number 4 kg amaga gram chahum kuntrataruk amasung WY tablet kg mapan ga gram Chama Yankai Mathoi Pagat Pangamki, Loinana, Habildar KH Achoba the Gisaloina Lopalising Marfusu, Sistoki, Makoi border town More the Gypsy Amada Lakibani, Makoi, More town Tokre Hyper Hek Kangbaga, Kakching District Police SP Sri Bhatske, meet young Makada Kakching District Police Commando Amasung, Palel Police Station upon Batim Amana, Infal More Lambigi, Koropok Pida Laiba, San Joseph School Manaktagi Pagat Pangam Kibani. Heroin number 4 sing at the soft case, Samba the Haptuna Purakibani Aduga, WY tablet sing Aduna, Bundle Nipan Tokna Semlaga Purakani, Bundle Amamam the Charak na WY tablet listing Taratara Yauram K, Paraba personal sing Adugi Matakta Ain you eba Tabak Tauram, Laukat Naba Potlam sing Aduga Konana, Makoilo in Makaksing Police Station the Senior Krehaina, Aspina, Makatana Fondorakle.
Today in morning at around 7:30 a.m. 1.336 kilograms of suspected heroin number 4 powder and 9.151 kilograms of suspected WY tablets were detected and seized by teams of Kakching police. Unfortunately, the seizure was done from one team of Commando unit Kakching only, which was stationed at More and is under the orders of transfer to Special Commando unit Khabesoi. Acting on prior information, the operation for the same was launched by our Inspector of Commando Unit, Shri S. Birla, and assisted by a team of Subedar Khetrmiyum Prakash. The Commando team, which was posted in More and was under order of posting to Special Unit Commando, was detained, and from their vehicle 100 soap cases containing suspected heroin number 4 and 8 bundles of suspected WY tablets were detected, and also a cash amount of rupees 80,000 was detected from one of the accused persons.